What makes a woman unforgettable? It's not her face alone, not her clothes alone, not even her achievements. It's the aura she carries, the way she moves through the world as if she knows she belongs. Grace Kelly embodied that. Her style was not about putting on a costume, it was about becoming a presence. And in 2025, when fashion feels louder and faster than ever, her Parisian chic reminds us of something we've almost forgotten. That elegance is not decoration, it is definition. Grace Kelly's way of dressing was never about chasing, it was about anchoring. Every choice she made seemed inevitable, as if her clothes were the natural extension of her essence. This is why her looks live on decades later. They weren't trapped in their time, they transcended it. And here lies the first lesson for us today. Style worth keeping is style that feels inevitable, not impulsive. If it looks like it could only have belonged to you, then it will never look outdated. She also teaches us the power of editing. Most wardrobes today are drowning in noise, piles of clothes that say nothing, collected for approval rather than identity. But Grace Kelly showed us that refinement is not about having more, it's about having less that speaks more loudly. Editing is not restriction, it's liberation. The fewer pieces you need to tell your story, the stronger your presence becomes, and presence is everything. Think about it. True style is not about the fabric on your skin, but about the silence it commands in a room. Grace Kelly's chicness was not about flamboyance, it was about proportion, restraint, poise. She proved that you don't need to fight for attention if you know how to hold it. That is the second lesson. Stop dressing to attract eyes. Start dressing to direct them. Another layer of her style that feels revolutionary in fall 2025 is continuity. She never scattered her identity trying to keep up with every new look. Whether in casual settings or on royal occasions, her style deepened season after season. Continuity creates authority. It shows that you are not a participant in fashion's game, but a player writing your own rules. When your image is coherent, you stop being at the mercy of trends. You become the reference point others look toward. But the most timeless element of Grace Kelly's chic is her mystery. In an age of overexposure, she never gave the world everything. She understood that elegance is not just in what you show, but in what you withhold. Mystery is not about hiding, it's about choosing what to reveal and when, and that restraint is what made her magnetic. In 2025, when every trend screams for visibility, embracing mystery is the most radical form of style. So what does Grace Kelly's Parisian chic mean for us today? It means we need to return to fashion as discipline, to reject the chaos of constant reinvention and instead cultivate presence, coherence, and dignity. It means realizing that style is not about keeping up with everyone else. It's about anchoring into yourself so deeply that others have no choice but to notice. Because the truth is, women don't lose their elegance when they stop buying trends. They lose it when they stop believing in their own worth. Grace Kelly's chic is proof that refinement is not fragility. It's strength in its most silent, undeniable form. And maybe the greatest gift her style offers us is this: permission. Permission to step away from noise. Permission to dress for memory, not for the moment. Permission to trust that when you carry yourself with grace, with clarity, with mystery, the world will remember you, not because you tried to belong, but because you defined what belonging looked like. That is Parisian chic. That is Grace Kelly. And that is the kind of fashion lesson fall 2025 desperately needs. What makes Grace Kelly's style so powerful is not that it belongs to the past, but that it feels eternal. She isn't just a fashion icon, she is a reminder of what happens when a woman uses style not as costume, not as noise, but as language. And fall 2025, with its speed, its chaos, its obsession with trends, is the perfect season to remember what she taught us. That elegance is not about fitting in, it's about standing apart. Let's begin with the aura she carried. Grace Kelly's presence wasn't loud, she didn't need to announce herself. Her elegance was architectural. It shaped the room the way a great building shapes a city skyline. And that is the first lesson for women today. Stop thinking of style as decoration. Think of it as architecture. Every detail should build presence, stability, and permanence. If what you wear collapses the moment the trend disappears, then it was never architecture. It was scaffolding, and scaffolding is never remembered. The second lesson is continuity. Grace Kelly's wardrobe wasn't about reinvention, it was about coherence. Every year, every season, her choices deepened her identity instead of scattering it. That's why her style still feels alive today. Continuity is what creates authority. When you dress with a consistent language, you're telling the world, this is who I am, this is what I stand for, and people trust that. This is what too many women miss today. They let trends scatter their image until they become unrecognizable even to themselves. Chic isn't about following the moment, it's about building an image that could carry you through decades and still look like it belongs. Another layer is restraint. Grace Kelly never confused elegance with excess. Her power was in knowing when to stop. She chose clarity over clutter, suggestion over spectacle, and that's what made her unforgettable. In fall 2025, restraint is the most radical choice a woman can make. Why? Because the culture is designed to push you toward more consumption, more noise, more spectacle. But chic is not more. Chic is less, done with precision. Chic is the silence that makes people lean in, the edit that makes every choice sharper. And then there is mystery, the rarest quality of all. Grace Kelly understood that the allure lies in what you withhold. She never gave everything away, and that restraint is what created magnetism. Today, the world pressures women to expose everything, not just physically, but emotionally, digitally, socially. But mystery is the antidote. It isn't about hiding, it's about valuing yourself enough to know that not everyone deserves access to all of you. Mystery transforms style into presence. It is the unspoken that lingers, the invisible that makes you unforgettable. Now let's talk about psychology. Why does Grace Kelly's Parisian chic still resonate in fall 2025? Because it speaks to a hunger women have been denying. The hunger for permanence in a world of disposability. The hunger for coherence in a culture of chaos. The hunger for true elegance in an age of irony. Women don't want their wardrobes to feel like revolving doors anymore. They want them to feel like homes, rooted, strong, beautiful, and deeply personal. And this is where Parisian chic enters the conversation. Paris has always taught that chic is not about having the most. It's about having the least, but making it mean the most. It's not about being up to date. It's about being untouchable. Grace Kelly embodied that spirit perfectly. Not because she was Parisian, but because she understood that elegance is not tied to geography. It's tied to discipline, to refinement, to self-knowledge. So here's the deeper truth. Grace Kelly's style is not a costume you can copy. It is a philosophy you can live. A philosophy that tells you to edit your life the way you edit your clothes, to resist noise, to embrace continuity, to honor restraint, and to hold on to mystery. When you do that, your wardrobe stops being a collection of fabric. It becomes a reflection of self-worth. And maybe that's the lesson women need most in fall 2025. Fashion is not here to make you someone else. It's here to make you more of yourself. Grace Kelly's Chic teaches us that when you know who you are, you don't need to chase attention. You simply carry it. Because in the end, people don't remember trends. They don't remember excess. They don't even remember luxury for luxury's sake. What they remember is presence. And Grace Kelly had it in every breath, every gesture, every carefully chosen detail. That is why she remains eternal. And that is why, if you want to be unforgettable, you don't need to buy more, you don't need to follow faster. You need to carry yourself with the same clarity and grace. Because chic is not a look. Chic is a life.